today I will be partnering up with Ofra Cosmetics to show you how to clean your beauty sponges. I'm going to show you how you can get your beauty sponge from looking like this to looking almost brand new like this. It is really important to clean them regularly because they are a breeding ground for bacteria. The blending sponge I will be showing you is the Perfecting Puff. At the checkout, if you use OFRA30, you will receive 30% off your order. You are going to want to start by filling a microwave-safe bowl about halfway up with warm water and drop your sponge into it. Place the bowl in the microwave for 30 seconds to kill all the bacteria and germs that may be on it. Once it is done, take the bowl out and add a small amount of Dawn dish soap to the bowl. Then begin to squeeze and rub off any makeup products that you can visibly see on the sponge. Once you have gotten the majority of the products out of the sponge, you can begin rinsing it. To ensure you remove all soap from the sponge, you are going to want to continuously squeeze the sponge under warm water until you can no longer see any soap bubbles. Lastly, let your sponge air dry completely. Before I go, I want to give a huge thank you to Ofra Cosmetics for partnering up with me for this video and helping me to show you all how to clean your beauty sponges.